Enjoy maintenance-free life in Turnpointe Woods Senior Condominiums. This community is for those that are 55 and older and is a true hidden gem. The 1,288 square foot model will offer luxury living at an affordable forever home price. The 2-bedroom, 2-bath high efficiency and low maintenance home will have everything you need for comfort and convenience. All Turnpointe Woods condominiums are designed with oversized doorways to accommodate any potential access needs. The model home will be upgraded with custom cabinets and interior doors, 9-foot ceilings, and oversized windows. These condominiums share a remarkable community center with a senior exercise room, restrooms, a kitchen, and seating with space for 50-plus neighbors and guests. This center may be used by the owners with cleanup as the only requirement for use. The affordable monthly association fees include snow removal and lawn maintenance. Picture yourself enjoying senior life in a serene, friendly community surrounded by nature. The model is anticipated to be completed in spring of 2024, so the time is now. Call Amy Allison to learn how you can ring in the new year in your new home, sweet home.